Hello, my dearest friends. Svetlana Shlapak, the founder of ukvisasuccess.com is here. If you are an national or a family member of an national, you are probably quite naturally concerned about your present and future rights to remain in the UK. I have been practicing UK immigration law for over a decade now and discovered that a lot of nationals and their family members have only a very vague idea about their immigration rights in the UK. And to rectify this, I decided to create this special frequently asked show where I'll be answering various questions and clarifying different aspects of EU law. If you find these videos useful, please do like them, subscribe to my channel and share them with those who may benefit from them. And here's your next question. EU nationals and their family members retained rights of residence for family members of EU nationals. This is going to be an overview video. I've created a series of videos explaining a retained right of residence because there is a lot of confusion around this subject. So my plan is, in this video, I will give you an overview of all possible categories, and in my next video I'll concentrate on each category separately, giving you examples. There are four major categories of people who can claim that they have retained their right of residence. The first category is for family members of EU nationals where that EU national has died. The second category is for children, great children, grandchildren of EU nationals where these EU nationals either died or left the UK. The third category is for parents with actual custody of children of category number 2. And the last category is for those family members who can claim that they have retained their right of residence where they were married to nationals and they either divorced or became victims of domestic violence. There are various requirements which all four categories will need to meet in order to succeed in their retained right of residence applications, and I'll be covering them all in my next videos. However, there are two main requirements which all four categories will need to meet in any case. Number one, you will need to prove that the relevant EU national is or was at the relevant period of time a qualified person. A qualified person is a special legal term which is the key term in any application under the EU law, so it is very important that you understand it before applying, and I've created a special video explaining what this means, but in very simple terms, for an EU national to be recognized as a qualified person in the UK, he or she will need to prove that he or she is a worker, self-employed person, student or self-sufficient person, and they may also be job seekers for a very short period of time. And the second necessary requirement that any category of family members with the retained right of residence need to prove is their financial credibility. Basically, they will need to show that they will not be claiming benefits in the UK once the application is allowed. So they will need to be they will need to prove that they are either working in the UK, they're self-employed or self-sufficient. So this was my overview of all 6 categories of family members with the retained right of residence, and in my next 4 videos I'll be explaining each category separately, giving you examples to make sure that you are no longer confused about this topic. Due to Brexit situation and the uncertainty surrounding rights of EU nationals and their family members in the UK, permanent residence application forms topic became particularly relevant. I've noticed that some of you are completely lost in this 85-page form full of legal terms spread across the 19 sections. And therefore, I've created a free expert secrets guide on how to complete this permanent residence EEA PR form. And you can now claim your own free copy at bit.ly/free guide on EEA PR form. This offer is very limited though, so don't be left behind and claim your copy today. Please give thumbs up, subscribe and share this information with those who may benefit from it. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.